Hi, how are you, my dear Naranites? Everyone are fine? Super. So, how is going on preparation for midterm exams? So, you have to rock in midterm exam, children. Okay? Now, coming to the point, in this video, we are going to see an assignment on diversity and discrimination. Okay? Now, let's start with the first Roman, children. Read the following statements and state whether it is a true or false. So the first question is here. Dr. Ambedkar had also fought for the rights of Dalits. Yeah, really, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he fought for rights of Dalit children. So that is true. So this is a true statement. Next, government jobs are open to all people. Yes, government jobs is everyone. Okay, it's not related to only one section of people. So that is what it is, true statement. Now coming to the third question, women demanded that they should have as much a right to education as men did. Yes, women also important, no children. Women also have equal rights. So that is what? This is a true statement. Now let's move on to the fill in the blanks. So the first question, fourth question here, there are dash major religions in the world. So yes children, there are 8 major religions in the world. Next, fifth question, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar shared his first experience on caste-based discrimination, which took place on which year they are asking here. Yes, that is 1901. Now let's move on to the sixth question. We have more than dash languages that are people's mother tongues. Yeah, 1600. Actually 1600 given children, even 1800 languages are there. Okay, but your answer is as per your textbook 1600. Next, coming to the seventh question, dash affects all of us. They prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. Yeah, the stereotype of mindset children. So the stereotype of mindset only creates all these kind of problems. So that is what here. Next, coming to the chooses. Eighth question, what does this mean? Judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Yeah, see here options are. So hetero prejudice, post judice, prejudice. Yeah, these two terms not there children. That is option C. Prejudice is the answer. Now let's take ninth question here. What does crying mean? Crying means what children? A sign of weakness. Means those who are weak people, they will cry simply, right? So that is what? A sign of weakness. Now coming to the 10th question. Where is Koregaon located in our country? So Koregaon located in which state you know children? Yes, that is in Maharashtra state. So that is what the answer here. Next, move on to the one more questions. Write the name used by government for Dalits. Yeah, answer is scheduled caste. Even one more is there, that is scheduled tribes. We call them as SC and STs, right children? Next one, coming to the 12th question. What is discrimination? Yeah, discrimination means what children? Showing difference. Okay. So making a distinction in a favor of against a person based on the group, class or category. That means showing a difference is called as simple terms. We can say discrimination. Next 13th question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Yeah, who is the drafting committee of our Indian Constitution then? Yes, that is none other than our Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, move on to the short answers. So first 14th question you will take children here. Who are seen as dirty or impure? Okay, so like they're asking here who we can convert, we can treat like a dirty or impure. Like barbers, those who are like washermen. Is it right now children? Let us see your answer. Activities like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, picking garbage are seen as tasks that are of less value, and people who do this work are seen as dirty. Yeah, just now I said no. Like barbers, washerman, like this kind of activities, who will perform these activities, so we treated them as a less value people. So that is what they treated as dirty and impure. Next 15th question, which activities are considered low? Yeah, just now we discussed here in this answer. What is that? Cleaning, washing, hair cutting and garbage picking. Next 16th question, what safeguards have been provided in the Constitution of India against inequality and discrimination? Yeah, really children, as per Article 17, untouchability abolished from our country. So that is what, see here, untouchability is seen as a crime. Yes, it is abolished. It has been legally abolished. People are free to choose any kind of work. That means there is no any like tradition or you have to do only this work. No. Even if it's a washerman or their children, they can study, they can like as doctor or engineers maybe, right? Is their right to work. Next, government jobs are open to all. Specified steps realize the right to equality for poor and other marginal communities. That means everyone are equal in our country. There is no any such kind of discrimination. So like that, our constitution guaranteed right to equality. Next, coming to the 17th question. India is a secular country. What does it mean? Yeah, secular means what, children? In India, there is no any official religion. Like for example, if you take Saudi Arabia or European countries or Pakistan, if you take, so there only Muslim religion is official. Official religion it is. Okay. Even if you go to Sri Lanka, Sinhala means Buddhism. Buddhism is the official religion. But whereas come to our India, so really our country really blessed because there is no any official religion in our country. Everyone are equal. So that is what see here. India is a secular country where people different religions and faith have the freedom to practice, follow their religion without any fear and discrimination. This is seen as an important element of our unity, that we all live together, respect one another. That means everyone are equal in our country. There is no any kind of religion in our country. So all religions are equal. So that is what meaning secular. So I hope everyone are clear with this 17 question answer, children. So that's all for today. So tomorrow, next assignment, I'll meet you. Thank you. Until that, signing off.